How to make Keto Poke Bowls. Please kindly subscribe to my channel, and turn on the notification bell, so that you will be the first to know whenever we upload a new video. Also, show some love, by liking and sharing this video, so that it can be recommended to as many people as possible, that need to see it. Thank you. The ingredients: 8 ounces fresh salmon, skinless. 1 tablespoon sesame oil. 1 teaspoon soy sauce, or tamari. Salt, to taste. 6-ounce cabbage, thinly sliced. 4 ounces cucumber, sliced. Half medium avocado, diced. 1/4 cup cilantro. 2 tablespoon mayonnaise. 1 teaspoon soy sauce. 2 drops liquid stevia. The preparation: 1. Gather all ingredients and prep as needed. We use red and green cabbage for aesthetic appeal, but you can use all of one color. 2. Cut the salmon into small cubes and place them into a bowl. 3. Add the sesame oil, soy sauce, and salt to the salmon and mix them together. Set aside and let salmon marinate. 4. In a bowl, place the cabbage, cucumber, and avocado to act as a bed for the salmon. 5. In a separate container, mix together the mayonnaise, soy sauce, and liquid stevia. 6. Place the marinated salmon over the vegetables, then garnish with cilantro. Drizzle the mayonnaise mixture over the top and optionally garnish with sesame seeds as well. Enjoy immediately after serving. The serving. This makes a total of 2 Keto Poke Bowls. Each serving comes out to be 501 calories, 40.1 grams fats, 6.3 grams net carbs, and 26.9 grams protein. If you wanted to get a custom keto diet or dessert made up for you, just click on this link in the description below this video. Also, please kindly do like and share this video, so that it can be shown to as many people as possible, that need to see it. Thank you. Thank you for watching.